Most of us know we should drink more water. We carry water bottles and refill them throughout the day because we know staying hydrated is important. But here's something many people don't realize. Hydration isn't just about replacing the water you lose. Whenever you sweat, whether you're exercising, working outdoors, spending time in the heat, traveling, or simply enjoying a busy day, you don't just lose water. You also lose important minerals called electrolytes. Replacing those electrolytes can be an important part of your hydration routine. So, what are electrolytes? They're minerals such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, and chloride that play important roles throughout the body. Magnesium contributes to electrolyte balance, while potassium and magnesium contribute to normal muscle function and the normal functioning of the nervous system. That's why electrolytes aren't just for athletes. They're relevant for anyone living an active, busy lifestyle, or anyone looking to stay well hydrated throughout the day. Great hydration isn't built around one ingredient. It's built around a thoughtfully designed blend. That's the philosophy behind SiseLYTE. Rather than relying on a single source of electrolytes, SiseLYTE combines multiple complementary ingredients to create a complete, everyday hydration formula. At its core are 4 key electrolytes: sodium, potassium, magnesium, and chloride, each carefully selected as part of the overall formulation. Every ingredient in SiseLYTEs has been included for a reason. Pink Himalayan salt provides a natural source of sodium. Coconut water powder is a naturally derived ingredient long associated with hydration. A blend of ionic trace minerals, together with additional trace minerals, helps create a more complete mineral profile. Betaine anhydrous, naturally found in foods such as beetroot, is included as part of the thoughtfully designed formulation. And finally, vitamin C. Not because it's an electrolyte, but because vitamin C contributes to the normal function of the immune system, making it a valuable addition to an everyday wellness routine. Thoughtful formulation isn't about adding more ingredients. It's about choosing the right ingredients, each with a purpose. Hydration shouldn't be complicated. That's why SiseLYTE comes in convenient, single-serve stick packs. Simply pour one into your bottle of water, shake, and you're ready to go. Keep a few in your gym bag, your handbag, your office drawer, your backpack, or your suitcase, because good habits are much easier when they're convenient. Consistency also comes from enjoying what you drink. That's why SiseLYTE is available in 3 refreshing, fruity flavors: Arctic Berry, Paradise Punch, and Island Breeze. 3 delicious options so your hydration routine never becomes boring. SiseLYTE is just 10 calories per serving, contains no added sugar, and is naturally sweetened with steviol glycosides. Whether you're training, working, walking, traveling, flying, spending time in the sun, recovering from a workout, or simply trying to drink more water, SiseLYTE makes it easy to support your daily hydration routine wherever life takes you. SiseLYTE. Clean hydration every day.